Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury which is the swap. So here is the interface of my treasury telegram mini app. So as you can see, there is a docs that are passing here, like here. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So the first thing you need to do to claim your treasury point for today, it is to click these dogs. Like this dog is consistent, like some keywords. So let's click on them. So when they enter like dogs, love, I, so that's mean that the code of the day for day 12, it is I love dogs. So let's go together and see, like, was it the cause exactly correct or not. So let's click on here. So let's click on activities always. So the code for today, it is like, what does the dog say? So previously, as you can see, like the dog says that I love dogs. So let's enter the code. So I love dogs. So let's make it clear. So as you can see, let's click on check. So congratulations, we have successfully imported the correct keyword. So here it is. So the code of the day is I love dogs. So as simple as you can see, I love dogs. UKCKS. I love dogs. So here it is. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. And definitely anything related to treasury telegram mini app, so definitely I'll provide it here. Thank you.